In this video, I'll show you how you can delete or change payment method on LinkedIn. So it's very simple. You need to click on this Your Premium Features. And from here, you will see details about your subscription. And to delete or change your payment method, you just need to click on this pencil, Edit Payment Method. So click on it. And from here, you will see your transactions. On the left side, click on Payment Methods. And this is my payment method, this Visa card. So to add a new payment method, you can click this button, and from here you can add a new payment method. So we will change it. And to delete it, you just need to click on those three dots and click delete. So are you sure you want to delete your default payment method? So if you are sure, you can delete it, and this will delete your payment method. So if you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more videos.